Friends, today through this video we are going to learn how to do house wiring of a single room. In this room, lamp and fan which is there, to turn on and off these we use switchboard. But LED lamp in this room, I want to control these lamps from two places. That is, through this switchboard I can turn on and off these, and one more switchboard is there through which we can turn on and off these. Why I want to control these two lamps from two different places, let's understand this also. See, to enter in this room, a door is there. Now to the left hand side of the door, a switchboard is there, through which we can turn on and off light and fan of the room. Now in this room only where we sleep, nearby a switchboard is there which is mostly used to charge the phone. Now when we go to sleep at night, then we have to come to this switchboard, and by pressing the switch here, we turn off the light. This is why through this switchboard also I want to turn on and off the light, so that at night we don't need to go to this switchboard for turning off lights. So how to do wiring of this room, you understood the concept of this. Okay, then let's start the wiring. Look, first of all you have to decide through which switch you have to turn on and off a particular equipment. This LED lamp here in this switchboard, through this switch here I will turn on and off this lamp. And as I told you, we have to operate this lamp from two places. So switch you will use for this lamp must be two-way switch. Whenever you want to turn on and off any bulb from two places, then for this you have to use two-way switch. This is why we use two-way switch. Now in this switchboard, this switch here, through this switch also we want to turn on this lamp. So this switch must also be two-way switch. Now this second lamp also here need to be turned on and off from two places. So in this switchboard we will connect one more two-way switch. Similarly in this switchboard also one more two-way switch we have to connect. Now this socket here, to turn on and off this switch will be used. And this fan here, to turn on and off this switch we are going to use. This will be our normal switch. You will get two terminals in normal switch, but in two-way switch you will get three terminals for connection. Similarly in this switchboard, this switch here, we will use this to turn on and off this socket, and this switch will be used to turn on and off night lamp. Now let's start the wiring. First of all we will do the wiring of two-way switch so that it will be easy for you to understand. See, this two-way switch here, upper terminal of this switch here, this one. From this terminal connect a wire, and second two-way switch here, connect this wire with upper terminal of this two-way switch. So I connected this here. Now lower terminal of same two-way switch here, connect a wire with this terminal, and from where we connected wire before, with lower terminal of this, connect this wire. The way we connected this two-way switch, in the same way we will connect other two-way switch also. That is, connect a wire from upper terminal, and to this second two-way switch, connect this wire with upper terminal of this two-way switch. Similarly from lower terminal of this two-way switch, connect a wire, and in this two-way switch with lower terminal connect this wire. Now what we will do, main distribution board which is there, phase supply which is coming from there, in this switchboard normal switch is there, connect this supply with any one point of normal switch. In this switch I connected this wire at this point. In the same way we have to connect phase supply to this switchboard also. So what we will do, this wire here, by looping a wire from the same wire, and in this switchboard normal switch is there, connect this wire with one point of this normal switch. Always remember, connect this supply with normal switch only. Never connect this with two-way switch. Now in the switchboard, to remaining switch also we have to provide power supply. For this what we will do, this phase supply here, loop a wire from this supply, and to remaining switch provide phase supply. In this normal switch we have to give phase supply at lower side terminal, and to this two-way switch here we have to provide phase supply at middle terminal. So for this, by connecting a wire from here, connect this wire at middle terminal. Now what we have to do, this first switch here, we will use this switch to turn on and off this night lamp. For this, with upper side terminal of this switch, connect a wire, and to this night lamp provide phase supply. After this socket here, to turn on and off this socket, we are going to use this switch. So what we have to do, with upper side terminal of switch, connect a wire from this terminal, and in this socket with right hand side pin, connect this wire. Now to this switchboard, we have to connect neutral power supply and earthing also. Before connecting these, let's understand the wiring of this switchboard also. Look, in this switchboard also, what we have to do, all the normal switch here, with lower side terminal of this switch, connect phase wire from here. So I looped a wire from here and connected with this point. Now see one thing here, two-way switch here. To this two-way switch don't connect phase supply because to this switch phase supply will come from these four wires. In the wiring of two-way switch, wires which are used, these two and these two, through these phase supply will be connected to these two switch. So we don't have to connect phase supply again here. Now this switch is used to turn on and off this fan, but in between we will use a fan regulator so that we can control the speed of fan. For this, what we have to do, this regulator here, take one wire of the regulator and connect with upper terminal of this switch. So I connected this here. Now take second wire of the same regulator with this wire, connect a wire and to this fan provide phase supply. Friends, to this fan we only connected phase supply. In this fan you have to do connection in a different way. How to do connection here if you want to know, then for fan I already made a separate video. After watching this video, you will understand very clearly that how to do wiring of ceiling fan. I will provide you the link of the video in description. You can go through the link and watch that video. Now through this switch, we will turn on and off this socket. So from upper terminal of this switch, connect a wire and to right hand side pin of socket, connect this wire with this pin. Now only connection of lamp is left. So for connection of this lamp, what we have to do, this two-way switch here, in this switch, one point which is left, with this point connect a wire and to this lamp provide phase supply through this wire. Similarly, second two-way switch here, with middle terminal of this connect one wire and to this lamp here provide phase supply. Now we will do connection of neutral power supply. Look, whatever neutral power supply is there and switchboard which is there, in this switchboard with left hand side pin of this socket connect this supply. Now to this switchboard we have to connect neutral power supply. For this, what we will do, from this same switchboard loop a wire and in this switchboard with left hand side pin we will connect neutral power supply. Now only to this lamp and fan we have to connect neutral power supply. So what we will do, this switchboard here, in this neutral power supply which is there, from this loop a wire and first of all to this night lamp provide neutral power supply. Similarly, this fan here, by looping a wire from here and provide neutral power supply to fan. And similarly connect neutral power supply with both these lamps also. Now in this socket you can see a bigger pin is there. With this bigger pin you have to connect earthing wire. So for this what we will do, take the earthing wire and first of all to this switchboard here, in this switchboard with bigger pin, with this pin connect earthing wire. Similarly loop a wire from this wire and in this switchboard with earthing pin connect this earthing wire. So friends, house wiring of this room is now completed. Let's understand once how this wiring is going to work. See, if you want to turn on this lamp, then this switch here you have to press this switch. When you press this, your lamp will turn on. But if you want that through this switchboard I should turn off this lamp, then in this switchboard when you press this switch, then this lamp will turn off. It means these two lamps can be turned on and off through this switchboard also and through this switchboard also. But to turn on and off this fan, only from here, that is only pressing this switch we can turn on and off this fan. Thanks for watching this video.